innovative decor ideas to dress up your home interior walls. Stark, bare, and boring walls have no place in your home. The expensive canvases are the perfect opportunity to showcase your eye for design and impassable taste that's displayed throughout the rest of your home. How to beautify your walls can be just as baffling as furniture placement, but the truth is, it does not have to be that hard. You don't need to be a devoted art collector to fill those beautifully painted walls with innovative pieces like rainbow and other quickly animal scenes continuously hitting the market. It's much easier to shop for items with personality and transform blank walls into the pieces the resistance of your home. In this video, you are watching so stylish wall decor ideas you are sure to adore. So please keep watching this video till the end. Wall hanging art and photos serves as the stylistic icing on the cake that is your home. Wall art draws the eye, pulls together space, and makes your home inviting. The search and installation of pieces you love are worth the trouble because it genuinely improves your home. While there is no set of rules in place for adorning a home, following these basic instructions and these pictures will help you to select the perfect pieces for your home interior. In this video, I am showing you the amazing styling and amazing styles of wall decor ideas. When it comes to wall art, it gets tough if you are not particular about sizing. So please watch this video, get an idea, and decor your wall. If this video is beneficial for you or helps you, so please watch. Please hit the subscribe button for more videos like this, and please don't forget to hit the like button. Provide your feedback in the comment box. It's time to say the goodbye. Now be happy, stay blessed. We will meet in the next video. Thank you so much, guys.